subject na yan. So, makakatulong din po sila sa kanila yan. Alright, so let us now quarter 2 arts. Let us hear from the quarter 2 arts, their output. May yell ba kayo? May yell sila. Kita nyo ang art group. May yell. Sige nga, lahat ng quarter 2 yell. Quarter 2 groups with your yell. Okay. Ready? Pampalakas pa ng loob, no? Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Good afternoon. Okay, so for the second quarter of arts, we have our suggestions. Number 1, of course, to appreciate art, we all know that pictures, paintings, all featured in the module should be colored for the students to appreciate. So all pictures in the module should be colored. 2, activity 3, there must be options or choices provided for the students. And then the third, activity 4, give follow-up questions. The rest of the activities can be performed by the students, so they must be retained, of course, with the guidance of the teacher. Thank you.
So number 1 concern ng quarter 2 arts, yung pictures. It must be colored. Okay, mga moms and sirs, ang naibigay po sa inyo ay hindi pa po final copies. Okay, so doon po sa CD ninyo makukuha ang colored pictures. Okay po, at saka together with the songs na nilagay po doon sa music, LMs and TGs. Okay, so ito po, sigurado po may colored po tayo. Alright, so let's hear now from a group, quarter 3 and 4. 4 muna. 3. Quarter 3 arts. Okay, so nakapag, ano sila? PowerPoint.
Thank you very much, ma'am. I think to any quarter, regardless, except 4, kasi ako talaga very conservative when it comes to the 4, kasi it's performing arts. Again, I'm an advocate, kaya I'm willing to share what I know when it comes to art. It's because I'm an advocate of Philippine art. Okay, so what we see as the main problem, regardless of quarter, as what our group discussed, is the art techniques involved in each country, styles, and aesthetic, the art aesthetics of each country. Dapat the teacher should be sensitive when it comes to this, because, again, baka mali yung mabigay natin. Okay? And then, compare the development of crafts in specific areas of a specific area of a country according to traditional specialized expertise, functionality, and availability of resources. Ma'am, could I just be given, okay lang po sa inyo, mag-present lang ako yung dapat na lesson ko kaninang morning. For 10 minutes, I guarantee you, tapos na po ako. Kung okay lang po, ma'am Kat? Ma'am? Or kahit 5 minutes? After 3 and 4 na lang. Okay. Kasi I want sana to demonstrate to you na you can adapt to the to your whatever area you are. Kasi whatever is given in the book, you could actually adapt. Very simple lang po, actually. Okay. Pakita ko na lang. Okay. Okay. So, let's go to quarter 3, which is about Indian art. Okay, supposedly my lesson is all about Rangoli. This is a type of installation art wherein you use actually crushed rice or anything na greeny, and then you're going to create a pattern or design. But what is relevant ngayon, actually ang mending, sir and ma'am, ito po yung readily available. Actually, kahit lumabas kayo ngayon, makikita niyo yan. Ito po yung tinatawag nating henna art. Okay? Ayan lang po yan. Henna art lang po yan. And it started in India or Persia. So Mehndi is also known as henna in the Western world and is the application of a temporary form of skin decoration, practiced mainly in India and Nepal. Okay, traditional Indian designs are of representation of the sun, okay, on the palm, which is in context is intended to represent the hands and feet. May relevance po yung sun kasi yung main god po ng Indians is actually the sun god. I forgot again the name na mention na sa akin kanina. Typically applied during Hindu occasions like weddings and festivals and worn mostly by women. But men can also wear this during their wedding day. Why did I put Madonna? Actually, the world popularity of Mehndi began sometime in the 90s. Became a pop culture in itself, especially to those who go on tourism. But during the 90s, remember Madonna came up with an album, Ray of Light. These are actually based on Indian songs or mantras. So, in fact, nag-protest yung mga Indian community kasi ginamit ni Madonna yung Mehndi. And now, it became a subculture already. Acceptable. Okay, these are the typical patterns of Mehndi. The design usually depicts flowers, leaves, creeper, sun, among others. If you look at Tangoli in your book, ganyan din po ang kanyang pattern or design. Inadapt lang po natin yung business sa sahig, ilagay na lang natin sa kamay. Okay, so ito yung mga typical designs. Okay, let's go. Now, breaking down the art elements and art principle of the design. This is very simple po. Dapat po at this point, the students already know what are the art elements and art principle. So what are present? Okay? Take note po, pag art elements, present yan sa lahat ng artwork. Regardless, all 7 will be present. But what is important is that, ano yung emphasis? So in the Mehndi art, the emphasized elements are line, form, shape, and space. Plays a crucial role in the effectiveness of the design. Now, if the teacher is very knowledgeable, pwede niya i-explain to lahat. Pero kung hindi, pwede niyang i-pass through. Alam naman natin kung anong linya, alam natin kung anong form, alam din natin ang shape, ganoon din po ang space. Okay? Next, art principles. Ang pinakaiba ng art principle sa art elements is that art principle sometimes hindi siya present sa ibang trabaho. Okay? It's very selective. So you really have to have that artistic eye or art eye para makita nyo ano yung principle na present. For the Mehndi art, it's just movement, balance, harmony, pattern, and rhythm. Titingnan nyo po, very organic yung design, may movement po siya. Actually, ang Indians po, they're also known to be a very sensual, people. Ayan. Sa kanila nanggaling yung Kama Sutra at Tantra. Huwag na lang natin sabihin sa mga bata. Okay. Does the design look familiar? Diba? Go to the Igorots. Diba? How are they similar? How are they different? Diba? Pag titingnan natin sa Igorot, they're more geometric in their patterns. Pero, meron din po, yung lalaki po dito sa pinakagilid, kung titingnan nyo, meron din po siya organic na design, representing siguro palayan or a type of plant. Okay. Similar to the design that I'm showing you dun sa dalawang kamay. Okay. Next. Barong Tagalog. Who would have thought na ma-apply din pala natin to sa ating Barong Tagalog, especially made in Lumban, Laguna. Tingnan niyo po yung isang design dyan, yung parang pag science po kayo, yung parang paramecium or flagella, or yung para pong dahon. Ayun pong design na yan, very significant sa akin kasi favorite ng mother ko, is what we call a paisley design. Okay? The paisley design, in other words, it's the manga design daw. Ayan. So mango siya talaga. And it